Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging. I did want to go ahead and show you guys this beautiful PJ pants that I got the other day. I got it in store. Usually they sell things like this online, but it was a grab, it was a steal, it was only one. It's very long, it goes all the way down and I just love it. I'm so obsessed with them. I really want to get more PJ pants and PJ sets. I have a lot of things planned today. Right now, I want to make coffee or tea. It depends what I pick when I'm in the kitchen. I kind of want to do tea, but then I need coffee for the energy. You get what I'm saying? I love these plants right here. And the lighting in my kitchen is so horrible. This is the best angle. I'm trying to decide which mug to use. We'll go with this. This one needs a little break. I want to hop on here and tell you one of my favorite apps lately. It's called Whatnot, a platform where you sell but cool stuff. Usually I am buying books for my little sister, my son. They have some cute vintage books, and then today in the morning I actually bought a game and it's just pretty cool. You can find very unique stuff. The way the app is designed is so awesome. Like, you bid whatever you want along with other people, and it's not expensive. It depends on which live you go to, but I'm telling you, this app is really good, especially for books. I got a bunch of books for 60 cents. This lady was on live and I bought like Dr. Seuss, some vintage good books for my son, and I'm gonna grab them right now. This is one of the books I got and it's such good condition. He loves it so much. Dr. Seuss, Rescue Us. Oh my gosh, he's been reading this and playing with them. Well, he can kind of read. We're still learning. He's just 3. I read it to him actually, but he says the words and repeat it. I just want to go ahead and show you this little cute purchase I made earlier this month. It's a little cutie snowman. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my bag and what's in it. So let's start. This is my bag. I got this for my birthday from my big sister. I love it. I changed up the straps to the long one, but I also like the shoulder strap like that. But anywho, love Coach. This is one of my favorite bags. I don't change it at all. Inside I have these headphones, which are not inside the case. I actually thought about this because I wanted to play music while cleaning, but I gotta find my headphones. I know it's either in my pocket or in here. I got my wallet. I got this wallet from my coworker. She gave me. Cute. So I just kept using it. I have hand sanitizer for my son. Vaseline. Cute. Oils. This one's actually done. I have to trash it. Got this from the dollar store. Literally the same thing as the e.l.f. one or the Dior one. Guys, forgive me. My hands are going through it. My skin has been peeling a lot around here. I mean, let's just fix that right now with some Vaseline. But even when I put Vaseline or lotion, it's not really helping me right now. I'm thinking it's just because of the winter. Put some on your lips. ID and card. Mascara. e.l.f. plump lip eyeliner. Oh wait, eyeliner. This one I usually put it underneath my eyes, and then this one is for my, you know, bless you, and this one is for like the cat eye. Random paper. Lip liner. I usually go for these colors or brown. Looks great on me. And the last thing I have is this Bath & Body sanitizer. This one's for me. Let's put everything back. I need to really trash this. I just wanted to hop on here and start vlogging this morning. I am driving to work, but we have a fun day planned today. But today, the weather feels great. I honestly don't know why I have my scarf on. It was snowing yesterday, but it is not snowing today, and it's actually pretty hot. So maybe I'll take out my scarf later. But today we have a fun day planned. It's the 24th. We open Christmas gifts. So I'm at TJ Maxx. I did put this beautiful peppermint on my lips, but I just want to see if there's anything that I could add for gifts. And I wore my sleepers, so we're gonna change that right now. Wearing the classics. Left early, and I'm just grateful that I can go get some gift bags and some last minute things. Well, I don't really need a lot. I'm just checking if I want to add something. That was such a successful haul. Came back from Marshalls. I got my big sister this cute beauty blender. My little sister this princessy palette. And then I got this cute set for my mom, PJs.